falls on the window pane. Got the aromatics in a slow burn haze. A pinch of salt to feel it right. This gentle simmer is a low light. Stirring my own quiet reduction. A simple kind of slow seduction. And watching all the steam just rise. Yeah, the steam just rises. Ooh, yeah. Low light on the sizzle now. That golden reduction glows. Delicate aroma fills the space. A slow simmer, soft and low. This gentle infusion takes me somewhere warm and home. A quiet kind of magic, healing something in my soul. Yeah. Knife whispers on the wooden block. Golden light ignores the clock. Muzzle a box, a little universe. Smells better than any verse. Slow sizzle in the pan, a gentle tune. Underneath this sleepy moon. Just me and the steam and the soft kitchen glow. Taking it easy, taking it slow. Late night kitchen, just the low hum of the fridge arming. That first sizzle of oil in the pan, a soft whisper. Aromatics dance, the smell of home. Slow simmer, सब ठीक लगता है. एक pinch of this, एक pinch of magic. Her whisk, her fold, sukoon. My kind of comfort meal, all mine. The sizzle starts a slow talk in the warmth of the kitchen. A patient simmer sings its tune. The aroma, a soft fusion. Just a pinch of everything. This slow blend fills the whole room. Yeah, this patient feeling. Ooh, yeah. The flavors mingle, a little bit of that golden caramelize. Just a pinch of salt to make it all come alive. Oh, this is my kind of love language. Every little dash and every fold is true. Oh, this is my kind of love language for you.